I will teach you how to make every woman crave your presence, even if you got rejected by her before. Warning, I'm going to give you 3 rules, and if you follow them, you will have the ability to make any woman beg for your attention. Use these rules with good intentions and be a real man. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where a woman is giving you the cold shoulder? Well, before we dive into that, let's address a common mistake many men make, which is focusing too much on women and forgetting the value of self. It's time to reclaim your time and energy. Imagine this scenario. You're pouring your heart into messages, but she's hitting you with the silent treatment. It's time to pump the brakes. Why waste your precious time chasing after someone who isn't interested? It's time to shift gears and prioritize yourself. Become that high-value man who exudes confidence and self-worth. When a woman senses that your time is limited and you have a life beyond her, she'll be captivated by your scarcity and crave your attention. Now, let's talk about the magic of scarcity. We humans are wired to desire what's hard to get. Just like a rare and exotic Lamborghini, women are drawn to the challenge. When you become the kind of man who can't be tamed, who's immune to manipulation, you become a walking trophy. It's all about asserting dominance and making it crystal clear who's in control. But here's the game changer. Instead of desperately chasing after her, let's flip the script and make her feel a hint of jealousy. Now, pay attention to what I'm going to tell you. Share a picture with another fine lady or drop something that'll make her wonder what she's missing out on. And right there, you've triggered that subconscious fear of losing you to someone else. Jealousy can be your secret weapon. It's a potent emotion that can work wonders. But hold your horses. Ignoring a woman only works if she was initially interested but lost that spark. You can't force someone to be into you if they never were in the first place. So, choose your battles wisely and play your cards strategically. But before we continue, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button, so I can teach you even more things that are forthcoming on this channel. Now, let's tackle those slow repliers. You know the ones, those who take ages to respond. Well, here's a game-changing move. Take even longer to reply to their messages. Show them you've got a life beyond the screen, and let them work for your attention. Trust me, it's a subtle move that screams value, and they'll be itching to grab your attention. But listen up, if a woman disrespects you or treats you like trash, rise above it. No man deserves to be treated poorly just because she's got looks. Remember, physical beauty might catch your eye, but a killer personality wins the game. It's all about forging meaningful connections, not just chasing superficial traits. Now, let's dive into the depths of genuine interest. Women naturally crave attention. It's like fuel to their confidence and self-esteem. But here's the deal. Don't get caught in the attention trap. It's not about feeding her ego. It's about building a genuine connection. Look beyond the surface. Invest your time, effort, and emotions in someone who reciprocates, and watch that attraction grow. So, here's the game plan to ignite that irresistible attraction and forge deep connections. Step 1. Set the stage by creating social comfort. Engage in light conversations, ask open-ended questions, and show genuine interest in getting to know her. Let her know you're not just another random dude. Step 2. Time to break that touch barrier. A little physical touch goes a long way. It's like a secret language that ignites sparks and fuels that electric connection. Step 3. Brace yourselves for some serious flirting, banter, and playful conversations. We're not talking about small talk here. This is the stuff that turns up the heat and keeps that attraction burning bright. Step 4. Get creative and suggest epic activities or experiences. Paint a picture of unforgettable adventures together. That's the kind of excitement that leaves a lasting impression and strengthens your bond. Now, picture this. You're posted up at the bar, vibing with a girl you just met. The energy is flowing, and she's feeling comfortable in your presence. But here's the secret sauce. Don't make it all about you. Be a great listener, pay attention, and show appreciation for her passions, her adventurous spirit, and all the things that make her unique. And just remember to high-five her or hug her before ending the date. Now, let's take it to the next level. Get her to lean in a little closer, change up the setting, and create that intimate space. Once she's there, her friends dig you, and the vibes are on point. Invite her to the bar for a drink. Lead her to the cozy lounge area. Keep the conversation flowing, and make her feel like she's found her second home. Amp up that touch. Break in and out of her personal space. Dial up that sexual tension. It's the moment when sparks fly and the connection becomes undeniable. And with these rules, you're about to conquer the dating world like never before. Just remember this: value yourself, embrace the power of scarcity, and build authentic connections. Now, with following the rules, you'll be able to unleash your irresistible charm.